Okay, I restarted everything and I think hopefully I fixed the issue. So I hope that everything is back. I really hope so. And I have to restart Quant Tower too. So hopefully the issue has been resolved. Should be normal by now. Normalized. Let me check something. Anyway, should be all right. The stream should be all right. Good morning again. So I'm sorry, everyone. I had to restart the computer because my microphone got crazy. But hopefully, good morning, Jason. I'm sorry again about the issue, but hopefully it has been resolved. Anyway, jumping onto the chart. Now it's 100%. All right, Joey, thank you. Yeah, I know. Anyway, not gonna go into details. The computer needed a restart because anyway, but now it should be all right. Little Nez Edge, hey, good morning. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. I was hoping for a short on gold. That's why I'm looking at it. And obviously, if I go out to the 1 hour, I'm going to break down the whole thing. Just a second. I just want to see how far this can go anyway. Let's go back to the 5 minute. I was really hoping for a nice short. Here. M2, M5, Nasdaq all week. There you go. Let's go, Nas. Come on. Let's try to do everything according to plan, you know. That's what I always try to do as well. Sometimes with a little bit more and less luck. I'm looking for, again, I'm gonna break down the whole chart. Just give me a quick second because I was waiting for a short opportunity on gold. And that's not too much. If I want to go short at 36.8, I don't think I want to. 36.8. Have to modify. Yeah, the 72. Yeah, this trade is almost gone. So let's break down the Nasdaq, at least what I see on this one. And let's go to missed out on the nice Asia NQ move 2 hours ago. Oh yeah. That Sunday move was really interesting. I mean, the whole Sunday open was really interesting with the drop. So anyway, what do you know? What a surprise. By some reason, by some unknown reason, anyway, Nasdaq just keeps going higher. Anyway, we have, this is the daily candle on Nasdaq, pretty much repriced this level. Now comes the decision point. Is it going to drop further down to 19,761? We have almost relative equal lows down there. 760.25, 762.75. So relative equal lows on the daily chart. And we have a fair value gap. Greetings, Spy Girl. Hey, hey. Marco, good morning. So we have a fair value gap here in this area. Keep going and aim to kill the snipers with 100% body count kills. Oh yeah. So we see the gap here, and I wonder if Nasdaq will be going lower. Jack, hey there, good morning. To reprice this area, or is it going to try to move higher? Now, if you look at it closely, we have a fair value gap here also to the top. So that gives us two possible areas to target. Now, I'm going to put a... Actually, we don't need to put a marker there. Yeah, fair value gap below. This is the daily chart again. Fair value gap below and above. So both directions we have targets to go for, right? Now, since the 4 hour is still consolidating, I would expect maybe today or tomorrow to maybe take a move and pick up some liquidity. Now, here in this area, this is a daily fair value gap. So daily fair value gap. There you go. Let me check something. Oh, let me put this inside to the right. Daily fair value gap. Are we going to go for it? I don't know. But it seems like a good target if we want to pick up some liquidity, right? So, but this is the 4 hour still. Let me dive down to the 1 hour. You keep wondering, I will swing short. There you go. Come on, Nas. 4 hour has broken up trend. If you, yeah, I mean, the 4 hour definitely shifted down. Perfect market structure shift on the 4 hour. Beautiful. Price actually poked back into the 4 hour gap on Thursday. So we could be still in a bearish scenario on the 4 hour. Also look at on last Monday, this is a bullish fair value, not fair value gap, but an order block. Bullish order block on the 4 hour. The low of the bullish order block is down there at 903. So that's something I'm really interested in, because these kind of order blocks like to be broken. We are inside the order block right now. We had one reaction on Thursday and Friday. It might try to break it, so might want to have to go short. Camille, hey there. Some hey. So I'm gonna keep up with the chat. Just I have to go through with the chart. So this one might go lower, but first, you know, we still need to see some kind of a indication of which direction that this one wants to go. I might go into pick. I don't want to draw too many things on the chart, but I'm gonna put a sell side liquidity down there at 904, which we didn't take on Friday. Everybody was anticipating that on Friday, even I am, that we're gonna go down and take out the 904. I mean, we didn't. Hold on a second. Sorry, I'm here. So sell side 904, which is a 4 hour bullish order block low. 4 hour bullish order block low. I'm gonna keep that in mind. Now let's go down to the 1 hour. Uh, 1 hour. Not really showing anything crazy. Actually, we're still consolidating. I like to say that, I mean, we have targets both to the downside, and this one can also go to the upside. This is not an order block on the 1 hour. Almost seems like it, but there's no structure that it has broken. Peter, good morning. KRK, sorry, KK trade, sorry. Good morning. So on the 1 hour, it's not clear to the shorts, but on the 15-minute, and now this is getting more interesting. On the 15-minute here, there is a bearish order block right there. That's a bearish order block. The top of the order block is at 2019. 2019 is the top of that order block. I would say this could be an interesting target right now for price. And it's only like, how much? 16 points away. We should be breaking that order block. We just approached it, so we might see some pullback here. And maybe repricing of this 15-minute gap. There's the VWAP down there. VWAP. I know you guys like VWAP. So we have it down there. We have a gap also down there. And the question remains, is it going to retest that fair value gap and then go higher? It seems like it just wants to pop the 2019 area. All right. Now, what happens after that? Some of you guys might want to go short immediately when it touches the 19. I'm not doing that. But if it goes, I went down to the 5-minute. If it goes up, breaks the order block, and starts to shift down, I might gonna take a short and target the sell side liquidity at previous day low / 4 hour bullish order block low. So that's a good target down there. If, and that's an if, it shows me an entry model on the 5-minute, all right? But if not, and we keep continuing higher into that daily fair value gap up there, then I'm going to be watching for a possible shift or continuation in the market structure to continue higher, because that would be the obvious target after. If it's going strong, if it would be going strongly higher after this one, then obviously the 2085 would be the target. But otherwise, at this point, this is just the waiting game. So just give me a minute to update myself with the text on the chat. Just good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good morning. Hey, yeah. We'll bounce back. Hey, what happened to the gold trade on sell side? I didn't enter to a gold, but I'm gonna go into it as well. Short every bearish candle that looks like it will print. All right, Camille, hey there. Okay, Peter, good morning. No, good morning. Doing all right, all right. A little bit older. Nez is gonna short 19. It might be from your dead brother's funeral. What happened? Jesus, what happened, Nez? Come on. Okay, Spy Girl. So right now, I'm still working on my evaluation. Nice. All right, updated everything. So I'm waiting for a reversal, but first, at least let's touch the 20,019 level. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay, gold went down. I wanted to see a short opportunity. Almost has been. I mean, if I would have gone with the 50% retracement, which was right here, it was before the stream, just 5 minutes before the stream started. Look at this. Could have been a beautiful short. Look at that. And the only reason I didn't take this trade is because I was waiting for the 61.8 level. I was away like 2 or 3 ticks on gold. So this was today's gold short position. It was actually a beautiful trade. I didn't take it. It is what it is. I didn't take this trade. But it was a nice trade. Yeah. Otherwise, what can we do, right? Good wood should, of course. I am that kind of trader, Naz. I was actually having a limit order here above at 30. It was at 38, I think. 38.2 or something. So my entry was missed with 2 points or 2 ticks, sorry, 2 ticks. Unfortunately, on gold. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yes, I'm that kind of trader. Otherwise, if I look at gold on the 1 hour, there is a bearish order block up there. Also a bearish order block up there on the 4 hour. I'm just going higher now. Daily chart, still bullish. Let me go back to the 1 hour. I'm just doing a quick review on gold right now. And we have relative equal lows at 23.29. Would be great to see those lows broken. Not too much relative equal, but anyway. That's also an order block here. Not a so much perfect one, but on Tuesday, this is kind of like an order block. Shifted up there, shifted to bullish. So we could go even lower. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's go back to Nasdaq and see what's happening. That's what's happening currently. Subham, hey, how to trade news? The best is not to trade news. I don't trade the news. On the evaluation account, we go crazy sometimes on the stream and sacrifice an evaluation account if we can. Otherwise, on the funded accounts, not just because that's a rule, I never trade the news. So, never ever. And if news comes out, I usually wait around 10 to 15 minutes to see what happens after the dust settles. I just don't trade the news. That's it, basically. 3 a.m. news, right? Are we gonna have something? No, we don't have anything today. What else? We have FOMC member. Oh yeah, FOMC member. Nice. I don't know what's he gonna say, but what if you use stop order limit both sides? Well, I'm not saying it's impossible. You can use that, but as usually that used to happen, if the server cannot handle the data, if the server is getting slow, no matter if you have a stop loss order placed, the slippage is gonna be so big it can easily wipe you out. So we have a lot of examples from the live streams when we put on a limit order with stop loss. The stop loss doesn't matter, I say. When we have high impact news, the brokerage, it's not the prop firm actually, but let it be just trade away. Most likely issues with Rhythmic, but it can also happen with trade away. Ninja Trader, Rhythmic, whatever. So if there's too many data in that very second, the slippage is going to be so big that nobody cares about the stop loss. You're going to be slipped like way out of your position. So what I'm trying to say is that you can put on a stop loss, but it's not going to matter. It's not going to stop you at the exact price, that's for sure. He's going to say blah blah blah. All right. Yeah, he's gonna say blah 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 blah, and the market is gonna move. Slim Trady, hey, what's going on? I took one trade long, 3 NQ contracts from 66 to 95. Wow, nice. Wow, that's a good trade. That's an awesome trade. That is a great trade. So I'm still looking at gold as well, but I missed my opportunity earlier. And at this point, you know, I'm not quite sure if it's really worth to go with this one. Even if I would like to go short, you know, at these levels, this is just absolutely not optimal. Not the optimal levels. Let me look at it one more time. Yeah, and now gold is just going higher anyways. All right. What's happening? $1,800 GG. Yeah, I took the gold short, but I don't like. Yeah, I don't like it anymore as well. It seems a little bit tricky. It seems like it just wants to go higher. You know, maybe even reprice all the way up to. There's the mid level of this 4-hour drop is up there at 23.55. So be careful with that. I think we have a high chance to go for it. Who knows? But yeah, just be careful. If it goes, then it goes. Chances are high that it will. Oh yeah, let me go back to Nasdaq. So we're still not at 2019. I'd like to see this go there. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wait until we break the order block. I'm gonna put a marker here, like 15-minute bearish order block high. That should be all right. and it should be broken. Yeah, gold is going higher. Let me check something on gold. What's the nearest fair value gap that it should or could go with? Yeah, it's way up there at 23.53. So I think it can go super easy. Super easy. Yeah, 2 partials and break even. Nice. Nice. You know, break even is always a winner. But I'm gonna think twice of what to do here. Especially with gold. Gold is tricky. Gold is a tricky bastard this morning. Feels like it wants to go way back to the mid-level, and which is actually, I mean, that would be logical to go back to 23.54-ish. So, who knows? Erkan, good morning. Good to see you, Erkan. All right. So let's go for that 19 level on Nasdaq, I say. Let's break that level, and after that, we'll see what to do, right? Actually, how far is that? I'm trying to measure risk here. How far would that be to go for it? It wouldn't be that far. But I would really like to see that. And when we see that happening, then comes the decision point. Let's go back to 5-minute gold as well. Still up there. NQ might gonna have a reaction for this order block, maybe pull back a little bit, or maybe all the way down to the 15-minute gap, who knows. And we'll see if it wants to go for that 2019 level or not. There is a 15-minute gap at 20K, all the way down to 96. You can also reprice that. So I don't know, because you know this is gonna be an FOMC member talking. Although we had some past experience that some non-voting FOMC member were just talking stupid things and the market moved like 200 points. But at this case, I don't know, where is he gonna talk? Let's see. The Central Bank Annual Research Conference. Federal Reserve FOMC members vote on where the set nation's key interest rate is in public. Okay. So this is going to be a conference, Central Banking Annual research conference in Rome. So they are in Europe, Rome. I don't know. Could be whatever, you know. Yeah, just guessing now, guys. This is just right now. This is pure guessing. We have no idea what the market is gonna do. This is typically the time where we just wait. We don't do anything. We just wait. London is about to open in less than 20 minutes. That could be interesting. This FOMC member is gonna start talking, but you know, I don't know what's he gonna actually say. I mean, regarding the inflation and recession and stuff like that. So let's wait. As for gold, well, I don't know. I just don't trust gold this morning. Wait for the market open. That's what we can do, and decide what to do after that, right? That's the only thing. Bullish possibility on gold. Well, you know, let's look at for some bullish possibilities. Minor order block, maybe on the 15-minute, the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, I see some places that this one can go to 23.53. You know, we have the 4-hour mid-level up there. Right there. It can go there. We have some good targets, fair value gaps, you know, everything. I just don't see an entry model. At least not for me. Maybe this is a structure shift with some liquidity sweep, repricing some 5-minute gaps. So it might, you know, this one here right now could be an actual move, but I don't know. Looks like Nasdaq is going down a bit, repricing that 15-minute gap. Oh, sorry, this is not it. That 15-minute gap here. On the 15-minute. Now it could go lower down to 83. Who knows? You know, super easy. Let's see if this level was enough for the Nasdaq to start to go higher, to take out the order block. Keep on grinding, yeah. Oh, you had my happy birthday. I didn't read that. Happy birthday. Let me give you an applause. Happy birthday, Naz. Congratulations. Look at you go, 32 years now. Man, keep on grinding. That's what I say too. Keep on grinding. Never give up. We'll get there, I know. All right, let me check what's happening here. Next level down there would be 84. Well, maybe, yeah. Is it gonna go down to the 15-minute gap at 84? I don't think so. Should be finding some support here. If not, well, who knows? It's hard to say. What's the low of that candle? Low is 83.50. Wow. Could go down, but I don't know. Are we going to reprice that gap or not? It's down here. It's down there. $52.5 million. That's a good number. Crypto, hey there. Bestie Jane down. Yeah, hey. Hi, Mountain Trader. Yeah. Good morning. And again, happy birthday. Look at gold. Wow. Seems like it might still want to make a little bit down there. I'm still trying to watch Nasdaq here. I still like the idea of breaking that order block up there at 19. Just don't know how far is it want to go down to reprice or sweep some more liquidity. Obviously, the London Open will tell us. So let's wait. I think we have a good chance to, you know, go higher on this one and take out that order block at 19. Or 18, for that matter. Trying to check for some kind of a long opportunity here, but there isn't too much. At least not on the 5-minute that I like. $10 still market open. Gold is going down. As for the Nasdaq, we don't know. Careful with the shorts because of the order block, but who knows. This was definitely a nice reaction. Gold sell? Well, I don't know. Take care, everyone. All right. See you later, Slim Traded. Thanks for dropping by. I don't see a sell on gold. I mean, there was an opportunity up there, and maybe on this fair value gap. I mean, for me, it's just a little bit too dangerous to jump into a sell on gold right now. So I'm not going to. But, you know, the thing is that we have quite a few targets to the upside. There was a beautiful short here right before 2 a.m. and it took, I mean, I didn't take that trade, but it was somewhere like here. And it was a good one, but, you know, I didn't take that. So right now I'm just waiting for London Open, and maybe that FOMC news is going to move something on the market. We have no idea. We can go down to reprice that 84 level, I think. Down at, where is that? The gap starts at 83.50. So who knows? We might go down there. This is the gap I'm referring to. The low of this candle is 93.50. Let me update the coordinates. 90, sorry, not 93. Come on. 83.50. Not sure of what it wants to do. In terms of repricing that area. Well, it just got lower, but I don't know if it really wants to go that low. Oh, thanks for the subscription, E. Hey, welcome. Welcome to the channel. I'm checking closely this area until we're talking here. Thank you so much, really, for joining. It's my pleasure to have you here. Yeah, still looking, but no opportunities that I'm interested in. I would still love to see Nasdaq to go higher, but you know, maybe if we go down, reprice that area, could be seeing some opportunities, but this is the waiting game. So let's keep on waiting. Nasdaq is dramatic. I mean, technically this was almost a good short, but it didn't go up there to reprice that small gap on the 5-minute. Now we're heading down to that 15-minute gap. We have the VWAP down there. And what else? Well, you know, it's pretty much it. Sometimes this is the hardest part, just to wait for the proper entry. By the way, guys, if you haven't done it already, please help out the stream and push the like button. It's free to do, and subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer to 2,500, super awesome. And also, if you'd like to support the stream, please use my links and codes if you would like to trade with futures. With these companies, we have an 83% sale at BULENOX and 70% on option 2 accounts with the code TOMSABLE1 and the TOMSABLE2. It's still ongoing. Apex still does the 40K sale. 40K, come on, 40 bucks sale for the 150K, 250K, and 300K accounts. So very cheap price, 85 bucks lifetime activation. TopSTEP gives you an additional 20% if you use my link for a new registration. And MyFundedFutures, 20% off from expert accounts, which is, I think, the best deal right now. So thank you. That was the commercial. That was the commercial. Okay, all right. I did. BULENOX too. I grabbed BULENOX accounts too because the 90% sale was a really good one. I think there's not going to be 90% sale for this month anyway. So right now it's 83% off. Yeah, Naz, that's what you have to do. Yes, exactly. Trade 20 days. 20 days and always show video. Always show. That's the plan. I'm in short, but I'm close at break even. I don't want to know anything until the news. Well, I mean, this news is not gonna be that kind of news. Like, it's not gonna be a groundbreaking thing. This FOMC member is gonna talk about inflation, I guess, and stuff, but that's it. Yeah, don't do anything until market opens up. Exactly, Jan Hammer. I like the name. I hope you're the real one. The glowing long buy button is this time. Oh yeah, be careful. Look at that. It's a little bit going back up there. I still like the idea to take out the order block up there, but again, you don't have any entry. So hammer the buy button. Yeah. Bring it back. So market open is in about 20, what? Anyway, 15 seconds. I don't expect anything right at the open. But, you know, keep an eye out and be careful. All right, we have London open. Nothing special so far. I'm still eyeballing the 19 level up there, but obviously have to be careful. We do like order blocks to be broken, but that's not mandatory in this case. If it does, it does it. If not, then nothing's gonna happen. Gold is not moving yet, so don't know what to expect at this moment. Oh, Pinon Mendez, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the subscription. So there's still nothing here for me to trade. I was just still waiting. By the way, well, this here could have been a proper short entry on Nasdaq. Look at that. Market structure shift, displacement, reprice that level, could go down into the fair value gap. My only problem is that we have this order block, and that's why I don't take it. But if you want to go aggressive, you can take this on the 5-minute, and you know, risk to reward ratio is not that bad. I would put the stop right there. 1.3 risk to reward, almost 1.4. Maybe you can go with maybe 1.5. I'm not taking it because I'm a little bit scared of this order block, so I'm still going to wait. TP1 at 10. NAS has a TP at 10. All right. What? TP2 at 20s. All right. Let's see. Dark Cloud. Hey, what's going on? Long Duck Dong. Careful, careful. I mean, technically, this is a short setup, but I don't like it because of this. But I'm not going to go long because I don't have an entry. So still, I'm going to wait for this level to be broken, and then maybe I'm going to look for a short. I'm not going to take, I'm not going to do anything right now. I mean, look at this. The market opened a little bit edging higher. Who knows? No volume, no movement. Yes, exactly. So better not to do anything crazy at this moment. I'm also watching gold. It seems like maybe gold should have been the right choice, but if you look at the 1 hour, I found it a little bit risky, especially with gold. You know, gold is playing dirty moves. I mean, did that to me last year many times too. And fair value gap on the 1 hour, 4 hour mid level. I really don't like it, but seems like, you know, in this scenario, the short could have played out so far. Anyway, it wasn't clear for me. Well, on the 15, 2, Almost. There was a short opportunity on gold. OTE was here. So possible gold short was here. It was a little bit risky. But look at that. A little bit FOMO, right? All right. Look at this. The 20K level is so far holding the price. Could be going for the break of 19. Actually looks good, not gonna lie. It looks promising. 100 lot, hey there. 5-minute fair value gap short still, but it's not looking good. And now look at this. It's kind of like an inversion gap opportunity to take the 2019 level. Not bad, not bad actually. Looks good. You know. Could be going higher. On this inversion. Shots fired in my NAS. I lost. You're short gold. All right. Good luck. Good luck. It seems like we're approaching that 19 level. Might be. I don't know. I don't know. My gut feeling tells me it might go to the 19, but also feels a little bit risky. Not sure. Not sure. These order blocks can be tricky. You never know when there is a reaction. All we can do is wait it out. Gold is going back up. I'm not in any trade. I'm just saying that yeah, the longs are looking good to take out the order block. It's risky for sure, but it's pretty obvious at this point that it might want to take it. It only has to go like how much? 10 points. So it's not that far. No retracement, nothing so far that stands in the way. I'm just waiting. But I doubt that we're gonna have a proper opportunity on the 5-minute to enter on this one. So be careful, everyone. Too late. Risk too high for long. Yeah, risk is too high. The range is too small. That's the problem. The range is too tight to take the order block high. if this would form some kind of a gap. Now this down there is technically could be used as an inversion gap to go long, but I don't know. Feels a little bit weird. Gold going back. Let me delete all this stuff since I didn't take it anyways. Friday close 09. Oh yeah. Hello. Does Quantaro allow brackets on free version? Oh, nice. Hey, congratulations. Congratulations. I think it allows you to do that. I didn't do that before. I mean, on the free version, I think you should be able to do bracket orders. There should be able. I mean, you should be able to do bracket orders. All right, let's see. Congratulations again. Look at that. Now we spike down into this area. Could be looking good for an inversion, I don't know. Or maybe it's just the FOMC member talking. A lot of negative stuff. It's a risky entry, so I would be careful. We have the 15-minute gap down there at 83. Could be going down for that. It just went through the gap like it's butter. Now it just feels like it wants to go for the for that 83 area. I don't know. We don't know. It might be because he's talking something, I don't know. But if we go back to the order block high, you know, this area down there could be a good place to look for some structure to shift higher. Question still remains. Does it want to take some lows here, or just wants to shift back up there? There is a small liquidity void on the 1 minute at 90. I don't know. If it wants to go for it, or just shift back to the high of the order block. Let's look at it. I'm watching it, but candles are just not printing the way it should be. 15 has 88 contracts. 56, well, yeah, who knows, right? That's the problem. Yeah, that's the problem. Who knows? Does the market want to shift lower a little bit? Maybe take out some levels. I don't know. Seems like we're going back down to that 15-minute gap. But I'm still going to keep an eye on that 15-minute order block. So I have no entry. If I'm gonna have some entry, I'm gonna let you guys know. But nothing so far. Absolutely nothing. This morning is absolutely a waiting game. The only thing I'm feel sorry about is that I didn't take this gold short before the stream. This could have been a beautiful one, but all right, look at this. On the 5-minute, we're shifting down, reached that 15-minute gap, this one. $15-minute fair value gap. I would think twice if I would want to go short here. I don't trust this. As long as we have this order block to the left, I just don't trust this move. I think we can still go higher, so I'm not going to take a short on this one. Even if it closes below 86.50, that's my plan. I don't want to take a short until we see this order block to the left, and it's so close, I'm not interested to take a short. Not yet. You blame ICT, all right. 80 sweep coming? Could be, yeah. Maybe, oh yeah, I haven't checked on ES. Let's go look at ES. I'm in with you guys. Yeah, could be a sweep. Maybe a better opportunity to go long on ES. ES made a relative equal high, so definitely not gonna go short on Nasdaq. That is something I have decided. I'm not gonna go short. If I look at the 15-minute, it's actually, if I look at the 15-minute swing here, look at that. If we would like, but it's not a structure shift anyway. If I would like to go long, that would be around 77, 75. 77, maybe. Risk to reward would be, well, not too perfect, but 1.6 maybe. But it's going down. Sorry, it's going up anyways. OTE level would be around 77, 75. You know. But I don't want to mess up my plan. I'm trusting the pullback and the levels, but that was on the 15-minute time frame, and I'm looking for entries on the 5-minute. Meanwhile, gold is just making its move higher, which I like. Not a huge sweep, but if the market wants to be risk averse, then, you know, why not? Why not take a short at 35.5? Look at that beautiful reaction from the 15-minute. Again, might try to go for the order block. I think it just might. 1 minute going back. Yeah, this is a tricky one in this London session. It's a tricky one. I might got married to this idea to break that 15-minute order block. But I don't care. Actually, I don't have an entry, so nothing to be feared of right now. Let's just wait. Wait it out. Let's see the risk to reward on this level. Order block high. Yeah, 2-to-1. It's risky. Best you can go with is a 1-to-1, but if you want to jump in, it's a little bit late now, I think. Excuse me. Yeah, absolutely, Sam. Absolutely. Since I'm not sure about the entry, I'm just not gonna take anything. That's why I'm saying we're just waiting here. I had no opportunities to go long on Nasdaq. No opportunities yet on gold. So we should not trade during. Yeah, you can trade. I'm not saying you cannot trade, but for example, on my end, I just don't see an entry. No entry setup. Give me a few moments, guys. I have to go out, take a package. I'll be have a delivery to my house. I'll be back in a few minutes. Please stay, push the like. We're waiting for an entry on Nasdaq. All right, be right back. All right, here we are. We're back. And guess what? Nothing happened. Only gold. Oh god, look at gold. Actually, no entry here, so just saying. OTE is still down there, but no actual entry. Now, I would like to see this candle close higher than this one. Let's see. NQ is still around this area. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but I want to wait if gold is going to close above this wick. Now that is something I'm interested in, because then I could look for some OTE long entries to target the 4-hour mid-level or the 1-hour fair value gap up there. I'm gonna put a line just to make sure right here. All right. So let's wait for it. I don't know. The high of this one was 39.7. The close of this one, 39.8. Oh my god. Let's check on Forex. All right, it's actually valid. So this is actually a valid opportunity on gold to take along, but not now. Limit order down there. Could be. Risk to reward checks out. All right, I'll be watching this level. I'm gonna put an alert here. And right now, I'm just gonna wait for Nasdaq to decide what it's gonna do. Yeah, that is a crazy move. I'm definitely not chasing it. That's why I just put an alert. If it goes down, I might consider it in this area down here. I might going to consider to take along. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna do anything with that for now. So, Greg, good morning. Good to see you, Greg. This gap is interesting. Look at how price reacts to it on the 5-minute chart on Nasdaq. Went through once more. Apex connection lost. Yeah. Hope it gets back. So went down, went up there, one more time down, and looks like this little gap here is doing something. Why you not smoke? You know, sometimes I do smoke a cigar. I mean, you know, I have these ones. It's actually from where is it from? Nicaragua. This one. So I do have some cigars, but only rarely do I take a smoke. Some occasions, that's all. But oh wow, look at that. Going higher again. This one seems like it might want to go higher. What is the gold ticker on TOPSTEP? It's a GC or MGC for micro. Okay, optimal trade entry just moved. Look at this. We're gonna break that order block, I think so. Check this out. I think it wants to go higher, right? Who knows? Who knows? Let's wait for it. No entry still. So No entry, no idea. Gold is moving higher. Is somebody talking about some... I don't know. We only have the FOMC member talking. Anyway. Still waiting. We could be just barcoding here, yeah, Nez. It's so hard to, you know, to determine what the hell is going on here. You can still just shift to the downside super easy. I just don't know. I don't know. Anything is possible, I guess. But Nasdaq is definitely at a very interesting level here. The 20K so far is holding. We have this gap as well. I don't know if it's going to be enough to hold it until the order block high. We might gonna take it out later, but no idea. Oil is pushing. All right, starting to move. All right, all right. That could be okay. That could mean something. Make me mod. I want to share TopStep X chart. Let me just give me a second. Give me a second. I'll do that. All right, now you can do that. Let's see. I also bought a LifeMP account for 60 on each of the new FTT site. Okay, it's risky, but hey, if you can make some good profits, why not? Why not? You know, if you can maintain it, absolutely, absolutely. All right, we're back into this gap again. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's going lower a little bit. Am I gonna go through all the way down to 82? Okay, so this is the chart of NAS. Look at it. Beautiful. Print every 4 of these. Oh, yeah, the M2. Nice. Yeah, flat bottom. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice setup there. Nice setup there, Nez. Nice setup, really. I mean that. Tricky session, that's for sure. No setup still. I'm just curious if Nasdaq wants to push that order block or not, because, you know. Yeah, up and down. It's crazy how this goes right now. It's almost like impossible to read price. ATR maybe. Next move at pre-market open could be. This one can also go sideways the whole London session, who knows. Somebody turned off Nasdaq. This is untradeable, to be honest. So just to make it clear, if somebody just jumping in, I mean, I had no entry in this whole London session, nothing that I like. I didn't take anything. There's really nothing that I would go with at this moment. I was waiting for this order block to be broken, but on my end, according to my model, there was no entry. One entry that I missed is a tiny little short here on gold. But for now, I think the target is up there at 23.53, yeah. And 55, 1 hour fair value gap and 4 hour mid-level. So otherwise, it's pretty much nothing that I have right now. No entry. Oh yeah. Super easy, right? Yeah. There you go. Super easy. This is the setup for NAS. Super easy. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Yeah, I checked the flat bottom candles there. Sometimes even dojis. Oh yeah. Now look at that. Finally, if we see the... Ah, okay. There you go. And the 19. And the 19. And there we should have it. There you go. 19. Taken out. Taken out. I'm not sarcastic. Your chat sucks. I'm not sarcastic. I just said, like, you know... I still... It's not my thing yet, Naz. So... If I will I don't think I will ever trade with Heiken Ashi, to be honest. I just don't feel that chart, so I don't think I will ever trade your system, but I will check it out from time to time just to see some entries. I know, Naz. Yeah. I'm trying to impress the community. That's what I do here. Don't make you the man. Well, I hope they do. I hope they do. I do like naked chart analysis. I think it's definitely clear. It's clean. And I do like the formations here. I do like the concept. So even though, look at this. This was an order block. And I called out this level based on the 15-minute order block like way before it got here. We were talking about this level. Of course, the entry was missing. But still, I do like that we finally got there. Heiken is just too perfect. Yeah, Heiken Ashi is too perfect. Yeah, the problem is, yeah, exactly. My main problem is with the Heiken Ashi candle is that it's late. It's definitely a little late. Even if it shows a doji or a flat candle, that's usually a little bit late entry because it's not showing the actual price but an average price. Yeah, I agree with you, Naz. That I agree to disagree on this one. But you know, the only thing, if you make money with it, that's all that counts. You know, that's all that counts, and that's what I'm saying. If you have your system intact, then that's all you need. Listen, all I can tell you, Naz, is that I don't think I will ever trade with Heiken Ashi candles. So that's the thing. I never tried. I mean, I tried to. It didn't work for me. As long as it's working for you, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. No, he's not. He actually takes some trades. Well, we will find a week somewhere. So now that we have taken this level, we might be looking for a possible short. I mean, this was a pretty nice pop to the order block up there. I did actually like it. It was very good. I believe that you can make money with that, Nez. I'm not saying you can't, but as long as I don't feel it, you know. But I will definitely do some tests in the future on some free time, you know. Why not? It's. I mean, I told you, I'm always looking for some entries. Exactly. As long as you make money, that's all that matters. But I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out. Oh. Nice. All right, Naz. Yeah. You know, if you can record some entries and put it out for your channel, that would be interesting, really, because then I could study it. You know, put on some A+ entries, and you know, at least we will see what exactly to look for and how you're doing it, because at least that's the starting point. But at this moment, it's just a waiting game. All right, chill out, just chill, you know. We're just waiting for an entry. Just chilling. Just chilling. Look at the 15-minute on gold. beautiful move. Might even gonna wait for a retracement to the OTE level on the 15-minute. I'm gonna put an alert here. And on Nasdaq, let me zoom out to the 15-minute. We can still go down to take out previous day low and the order block, so it's not over yet. I'm looking for my entry. I am looking for my entry. Possible short entry is what I'm looking for. Come on, chill out, dudes. One day, yeah, one day the entry will come, Michelle. This is why gotta be patient, you know. Just gotta be patient. Not much else we can do here. I'm not sleeping on it, Naz. I'm not sleeping on it. I just told you I can't do it. Especially, I can especially do it on live stream when I'm focusing on the trades. That's the thing. That's why I'm saying when I will have free time, I will look into it. Asia high, could be. You know, that's another opportunity. And thanks for bringing that up because I totally forget it. We have Asia high right there at 30. So let's see it. Asia high. Buy side liquidity, Asia high. We can still go up there. That's true. You saying I'm a fucking stupid retail trader? That's what you're saying, Naz? Come on. Don't say that. All right. I am. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why you say that? So, Naz, just to be clear, Naz, you are saying that I'm a fucking stupid retail trader. I just want to make it clear, you know. If you say I am, just say it, and I will accept it, alright? Just say it that I am a fucking stupid retail trader, and I am going to accept it, Naz. Big time amateurs. All right, Naz. All right, Naz. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a timeout, all right? Thank you. I've been patient with you, Naz, but today I just don't have the energy for you, so that's it. Let's wait. I'm sorry, Naz, but I'm just not in the mood right now for this, so... But maybe we will chill down next time. You just got a timeout. All right. Waiting for 20.030. Daniel, hey there. I don't want to ban Nez. I think he's cool, but sometimes I know he has a temper, but it's fine. I understand he has issues with temper sometimes, so no need to apologize. I just need to focus on the charts, so that's why I had to give him a timeout. Because I can't focus on the charts if there's too much trash going on in the chat. Sorry guys, by the way. Apologize. Yeah. Let's see. It looks like we're still going for Asia high. So yeah, so let's wait for Asia high. On gold, the only thing that we see is the 15-minute break that we had. The next target could be 23.53.6. So I don't know. Let's see. Gooey hey there. Yeah, he might need a hug, but hey, I think Nez is cool. I like him. He just, you know. JP. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I'm as I said, I don't have issue, but when he says that I'm a fucking idiot, a retail trader, then you know that is something that I don't really like, even from Nez. So, but I understand that he might has his temper sometimes. So that's why I'm not banning him. I just had to give him a timeout. He was here on the stream since quite a while, so I know we had some quite opposite things going on, but still, it's gonna be all right. All learning. Yeah, we can all be a respecter to each other. This goes, yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. No, I mean, yeah. Anyway, let's move on. Naz is cool. He will chill down. All right, let's focus on this one. So yeah, totally forgot that we have the Asia high at 30, 2030. So no entry. ES took out Asia high. Let's check on ES. Oh yeah, it did. It did. So now it could be going for Friday lunch hour high, but what if NQ tries to make a new low? Do I have any orders? I hope I didn't put on. Okay, I'm clean because I didn't take any trades this morning. Yeah, I'm fine. All right. Started to worry a little bit. Sometimes, you know, when I put on limit orders, I tend to leave them and I forget to clear them from the chart, and I have to check it, you know. Yeah, exactly, Cosmo. Yeah. Yeah, so it's really hard to trade this, especially on the 5 minute. And look at this, how close it got to that high at 30. Just out of curiosity, I'm gonna look at 3 minute chart. Yeah, and the 1 minute. Be careful if you guys want to go long, because this does not mean that we are going to take out Asia high. It can just, you know, turn down and go straight down and leave this equal highs for later maybe. But it's definitely it's interesting. Okay, gold is still up there. I must say that this London session was great so far, but pretty much without a proper entry. That's the thing. Pretty much without a proper entry. Look at that, now it's going lower. That's why I said be careful if you want to go long there, but we'll see. Oh man, let's look at this. Ta-da-ta-ta. No end, I mean, no structure shift so far. And nothing on gold. I know, it's a little bit boring sometimes. Well, what can we do? Let's just wait. Oh, I think I totally forgot the giveaway link, right? Oh, I forgot to add it to the stream. Damn it. Hold on. Oh, totally forgot it. Sorry, boys and girls. Totally forgot to add that. So we have the giveaway still going. The winner pick is gonna be tomorrow. It's in the pin message. If you want to enter, you can earn some points too. Totally forgot to put it out today. It has like, you have time until the end of today, and we're gonna pick the winner tomorrow on live stream. All right. Just an FYI, if you guys want to go with it. Nvidia is not moving, no action till New York. Yeah. For both New York and GC, or just NQ. For GC as well, Cosmo, but I can tell you that I made only like 10% of the trades on gold. Yeah, so 90% is on NQ, but what I might do is, oh yeah, I already did that. I have an Excel sheet, a Google Excel sheet. I'm going to put it out below. It's not there yet. I'm going to link it to the description of the stream, and so you guys can be updated. It's going to say that which it's not pair, which market was it traded on, particularly every trade. It's not going to be a super detailed analysis, but I'm going to write the market, which session, was it a long or a short, loss, winner, stuff like that. It's going to be a very simple sheet, but at least you can track some of the progress we do here on stream. Hopefully it will be good. But no trade today yet. And the only thing I regret that there was a nice short position on gold right before the stream. That's all. It was like 15 minutes before the stream. Oh, actually, it was at 2 a.m. but it was not at optimal trade entry. It could have been a nice one, but it wasn't. How much for TOPSTEP X for 50K? Evaluation account. If you register for a brand new account on their website, you can use my link as well. If you register for a brand new account, your first purchase is going to have a 20% discount, which is giving you $40. So it's going to be $40 for the 50K combine or / evaluation account. So $40 if you want to use the link and the discount, but it has to be a new registration. And you also get a 50% discount from your first reset fee with this one. So that's all right now that TOPSTEP gives you, but otherwise it's $49. It's $49 for the 50K evaluation. Or combine. They call it combine. Yeah, it's 49. Yeah, Tony. 49. That's why I'm saying if you want some discount with the new registration, you can get it for 40. TOPSTEP X was 30 at the sale. I think there was a sale when they were promoting TOPSTEP X. I think it's over now. It was at $29, but let me check it. Let me check it. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, let me go to the 50K. Let me see if I can get TOPSTEP X. It's 49, yeah. So it's 49 on every platform. Oh, sale was 19, all right. Yeah, there was a 19. There was also a $29 sale, and there was a $19 sale. I think both were happening, you know, separately in a different time. But There was a session, a New York session on TopStep TV where they were letting everybody buy up to 5 only TopStep X accounts for $19. And after that, I think there was a $29 sale. But right now it's $49 everywhere. Or you can go down to $39 or $40 with the discount. Currently, that's the only thing. All right, we should be going to take, should be going for that Asia high right now. It's pretty much up there. I know it's tempting, but you know, it's also dangerous just to jump in here. And it's very tight range, 5 points. I don't think it's worth the risk. On mini, the high is also at 30.25. On micro, it's at 30. But I think he's gonna take it out. It's only 5 points. Yeah, should be taking that out. Should be taking that out. Now it's only 3 points. Almost done. And still no entry. I mean, technically there was, but not really. An opportunity here, but no, it's not an A+ setup, so just be careful. That's what I'm trying to say. It could be very, 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 very tricky. But it's close. Are we gonna take out the Asia high or not? That's the big question. I think we should be. Once taken out, what's my next move would be to look for a possible short if we see a structure shift. So this is what I'm looking for after taking out these Asia levels. You know, something like this, maybe build up a structure and then, you know, move lower. It would be plan A. Plan A. Not LAN A. Plan A. Where's my P? So that would be plan A. And if it's not gonna go like that, then we can still build a structure and move to previous day high. This would be, you know, plan B. But still, whatever happens, we need some kind of a structure shift. some kind of a structure shift to one of these directions. That's why I think that the Asia high should be taken out. It's just a question of time. It can also go sideways for half hour, 10 minutes, 1 hour, but we should be taking out that 30 level. It's so close. Yeah, Spiral, there you go. So this is my plan. Maybe not a good plan. Trying to wait for some kind of a structure to form. And that's it. What comes between plan A and plan B? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly. This is what's in between plan A and plan B. Right here. That's it. So that's what's gonna happen between plan A and plan B. Chop chop, exactly. Maverick, what's up? On Bright from 07. Ooh, 15-second entry. All right. Hey, by the way, did we just take out the 30? What's the high of this candle? Yeah, we took out 30. At least it got tagged. 30 got tagged, everyone. That's nice. Alright, let me delete this. I think you guys get my idea. Hopefully. And because sometimes I know I'm confusing. My target 31 reached. There might be more upside to 52, but yeah, Spy Girl, congratulations. That's a nice trade there. You know, for 31, it's still absolutely good. All right. What do we have? Interesting how the 5-minute did not provide any kind of entry right now. I mean, we knew the level. We talked about the order block. We saw that price action is pretty much printing that way, but still didn't actually provided, for me at least, a proper entry. That gives me a little bit of FOMO, but you know. Tom did not believe me when I said it when we I mean I believed you, I think. I don't know, Spygirl, I don't know. You said that we're gonna go to 30, right? I think you said it. I don't know. I think you said it. I know you said something about it. Look at this, relative equal highs right now on Nasdaq. Still looking bullish, but no volume. No volume. Everything is super slow. My alert is set on the 15-minute gold. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Exactly. Exactly. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Please like and subscribe. It's free to do. And also, if you would like to support the channel and the journey, then please use my links and codes. Thank you so much. We need to hold 2016 for bullish continuation. Yeah. Yeah. That would be a level to hold. It's right at the middle there. You know, if we take out, if we would take out the 30 or 31, so if today or tomorrow is just going to be inside this range in between the two daily fair value gaps, that we can then we can see a possible reversal back to the downside. I might look into that. J-Ho, good morning, good to see you. Oh, no high impact news. Yeah, J-Ho. I know you like those. How you doing? I hope you had a great weekend. Good to see you on the stream again. You did great last week, J-Ho. Congratulations. That really awesome calls. Yeah, let's check about the news. What we're gonna have tomorrow? Tomorrow, consumer confidence at 10 a.m. New home sales after that. It's not so much attractive, but ready hop on live and talk with you one day. Of course, definitely. Of course, man. Hey, we talked about it. You will talk, I will trade. You share some ideas, why not? It's interactive. That's why we like Discord sometimes. Oh, by the way, I totally forgot to log into my Discord this morning. I wanted to share some stuff there. Let me log in. By the way, my Discord was messing over the weekend. I couldn't log in. It was just showing the login screen, so I have to reinstall everything. I don't even know if it's working right now. It should be working. All right. It's working. Nice. We have no high impact news Monday or Tuesday, but then yeah, Wednesday, Friday. So yeah, hopefully we will get those moves. Definitely, Spygirl. Definitely, we will talk. We will have some fun, you know. For now, for this session, it is just a little bit slow currently. Close your long position. And wait, if it will hold 2016. I might just buy another BULENOX. There you go. I know JO can do that. JO can do that. Yeah, we're waiting to see if the 16 is gonna hold for now. The thing is, it's really, I mean, look at that. Now it's going for 30. It might break it finally. Might go for it. $28.75 right now. One spike, and if we're gonna get through on 30, then we might see a possible reversal. Can't wait to hear about what you will share with us. Yeah, I mean, JHO definitely has some good levels. He always calls out some very good levels. But within today or tomorrow, we should hit 86. Yeah, that's a very good level up there. Previous day high, 86, 85, 25, I think, on the micro. But yeah, good level. That's a good level. I think so too. It's possible. Yeah. Exactly. That's more than perfect, JHO. Share some ideas of entries, concepts. That's a good one. Again, I'm still waiting for this buy side to be broken. Let's see. Let's do this. Yeah, so we can go higher. It's definitely a possibility to go higher. Let's see if we can break that 30 level up there. We should be able to do that. The problem is the lack of volume, so that's why I'm not entering into anything, and I don't have any entry on the 5 minute. I'm not even looking at the 1 minute for entries, but it seems like volume is just not kicking in right now. Not as it should be. So that makes it a little bit difficult. So to summarize so far what happened in the past more than 2 hours, no entry. Just waiting. Looking at gold, but nothing. Move up around here. Yeah, I would like to see this moving up. To be honest, I like to see a move to previous day high, which is the fair value gap. Not previous day, Friday high. What's the high actually? I might have missed this. The high is 85.50 on the micro. 85.50, all right. Why is it showing 25? Okay. 85.50 on the micro. Yeah. They're on the same page. Yeah, everybody's on the same page in this one. Don't leave me out, guys. I'm on the same page with you. I'm on the same page with you guys on this. If I'm logged on Rhythmic TopStep, I'm out of Apex. Why? Yes, it's normal. It's normal. Because what do you, are you using Quantower? If you're using Quantower and if you have the free version, then I think there will be an issue regarding the connection. But it's normal, yes. If you log in to the Rhythmic trader with a different account, then you might lose the connection. Fritz, hey there. Good morning. Tom, I don't know if you remember me saying on Friday oil had dumped. Yes, yeah, you said it. Yeah. It came back, stopped you out at break even, then dumped. Dude, you made so much profit last week, J-Ho. You should not be worried about that. I remember you saying that. So yeah. If I'm logged into Rhythmic TopStep, I am out of Apex Y. Yeah, it's normal, Maverick. It's normal. It's because Rhythmic can only log you in one instance for a time. So that's it. That is it. That's why. It's normal. It's normal, Maverick. Yeah. Yeah, fair value gap, because there's many things that go into, yeah, he called the level. He said that about crude oil. So I was like, I also was like, wow, this is crazy. This is really going, and then went back up there. Looks like we're stopped at Asia high right now. Okay, that down to 20. Let's see if it's gonna make a structure shift. I use more than Fairweather as well, but it will be easier to explain on the live. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Also, Gunter showed me some of the strategy I use involving the midnight open. Yeah, I by the way, I also always mark up my daily midnight levels, New York time. It's really interesting and amazing how market really reacts to those levels and goes back there. Wow, look at this, everyone. Shifting market structure right now on the 5-minute. This one could be interesting to maybe take a possible long, short. Take a short. The 15-minute fair value gap now moved below that wick. I don't know. You know, what if? I'm just, thinking out loud. is the best level you can. Exactly. Exactly. Midnight level, you know, if you have an entry around the midnight level, let it be long or short, whatever, that's possibly one of the strongest entries. So if you have a displacement somewhere around the midnight level, that is a very good entry. Or in this case, we are in the daily premium, created relative equal highs. Price can also go back down, target this liquidity area, you know, sweep some liquidity, and then go for Asia highs again during the New York session. We don't know that. Or we can be just trading internal range all day. That is what we don't know. All I can do is, this one is lining up with my entry criteria, is that we have this. Let me delete this line. This was the order block, by the way, I think. Yes, this was the order block high. So we have a market structure shift here. Come on. Oh, come on. Bearish market structure shift. And we have a fair value gap also. Right here. Five-minute fair value gap. Now, the only problem with this is that the liquidity sweep was, you know, that's missing. So that's not really present here. So I'm curious what you guys are saying. If this one is going to leave a gap, would you guys take it for a short to target sell side liquidity? For example, down there. Hold on. For example, down there. That would be interesting, you know, as sell side liquidity. And Friday, Tom, this is something I'm going to talk about with y'all live. Mark midnight on Friday and look at its price action on the 5-minute. Oh yeah, I looked at, let me check. We still have time. All right. Friday midnight level is this. This is Friday midnight level at 52. So I'm gonna have a this line here. 52 is Friday, and on the 5-minute, look at that. We went through, pierced through. I mean, actually traded back to it, then went down. Price started to go again, failed. Okay, so the Friday midnight level is still up there. Let me write Friday Eastern Standard Time midnight. Fred and Short, good morning, good morning. Oh, through Discord, all right. No problem, no problem. What's his, yeah, that's, I remember Spiegel. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, I remember that. So now, it's just a question for me as well. As far as this one goes, to be exact, 52.25. Look at that. I marked also 52.25. 52.25, right? Yeah. I have the same level there. 52.25. So now the question remains, is price going to, you know, retrace back into this fair value gap? Maybe try to sweep more liquidity to the downside, or it's going to stay bullish and try to go for some more highs. That's something I'm looking at right now. $947.75 is your target. Okay. That looks good. I mean, if we stick with this analysis, I'm gonna put on a fib tool here. All right. Could be interesting. OTE would be there at 21. Oh, maybe down at 2075, maybe. Let's see. $20.75. I don't know. All right, seems like it's going lower. If this one's gonna take out, for example, or gonna test the 20K again, then obviously this is a low probability entry. This is even a high risk short entry as it is, because there was no sweep. Okay, Jho just shared the chart. There you go. This is Jho's chart. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hopefully you can. Yeah, there you go. So this is the chart that Jho shared. I can actually put it to the chat so everybody can open it on their computer. Where's my chat? There you go. Can you guys open it? Let me know. But this is the chart. Yeah, equal highs forming. Took out sell side. London low. Yeah, 9:30 open. Fake move down after 9:30 to get people short. I like this analysis. All right, right into equal highs. Internal sell side. Then right back into internal after we manipulated about midnight. Okay, I see what you mean there. So it seems like we might have a chance for this one. All right, great. So we might have a chance for this one to go higher. Then after the internal sell side, day is done. Nice. Okay, so so you're saying that we still might be looking for price to sweep some more highs, because that's a good thing. Yeah, we'll do some session live. I'm gonna go down here to 50, maybe 50. I'm gonna go down to 50. Just measuring some targets there. So the 5-minute fair value gap. Yes, but I gave the target for tomorrow to also be able to hit it, because I'm thinking we shop up and down today with no high impact news day for tomorrow. That, yeah, I understand. Well, that can happen. That is very possible. Yeah, we're gonna chop. Yeah, I'm expecting more chop as well. You know, kind of like going for internal liquidity. I understand. And thank you for the chart, by the way, Jeho. That was very useful. Low impact money Wednesday. Won't be sizing up. Yeah, keep it low, keep it steady. If I'm entering a trade, I will let you know. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit tempted to, if this is really just a chop, I'm a little bit tempted to jump in at 2050 to take out some of these levels down there. If it would wick up to the OTE level-ish. But it's a little bit dangerous. I placed a limit order at 20.75, so 20,000 20.75, and I'm actually going to modify it to 50, so 20,000 20.50. There's a limit order I have there to try to go for some internal liquidity, but I might going to delete that before it hits it. If this one's gonna go too much sideways, maybe edging down a little bit, I'm just going to delete that because, you know. Yeah, where chopping is playable, we just gotta sell at the high. Yeah, exactly my thoughts, man. I think Thursday is gonna be great. Yeah, let's wait for that. That will be interesting day for sure. Just gonna be watching Apple, Nvidia like hawk this week. I was reading an article that many shareholders of Nvidia were actually selling their shares, but I guess it's because of the high profits. So, I mean, the sales came from internal shareholders from Nvidia for some profit taking, I guess. That's all I was reading about that. CEO sold a chunk. Investors follow. Who drops along? Well, why shouldn't they, right? I mean, Nvidia is definitely the best right now, one of the best in the market that made a huge progress in price. Yeah. But I highly doubt that they're selling because there would be some issue or something. I think they just want to take some profits. You know, let's face it, Nvidia made such a huge gain. So where is it? This is the weekly chart of Nvidia. Look at that. Since last year, early last year, Jesus Christ, from the 20s all the way up to 130s. If I would be the CEO, I would be selling some of that shares too, just to make some profits. Why not? Absolutely. So I don't think that's a fundamental issue. It's just some profit taking. You're an Nvidia CEO. I get you guys. Yeah. Let's all get rich. Let's do the rug pull, Let's do a rug pull on Nvidia. All right, let's see if I'm gonna get tagged into this trade. I'm not too much happy with this one. I might going to size down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna size it down. I'm gonna be risking like 80 bucks on this one. So definitely not gonna be my favorite trade. It's not an A+ setup, so keep that in mind. I'm still not in the trade yet. I'm 1 point away from getting tagged into this one and still not in the trade. Still not in the trade. The relative equal highs actually bothers me a little bit. Not in the trade yet. Yes, exactly. Bobansmech. I'm only risking $78 plus commission, so on micro that would be about $7 or $8. So altogether it's around 80 something bucks. Let me show you the entry on the chart. M and Q. So here's my entry. Sorry, I'm not tagged in yet. Look at that. My entry was missed. My entry was missed with how much? 1.4 ticks. But let me tell you, if it's not going to drop from here, and it's gonna go sideways, I might just gonna there you go. The train left the station without me. It seems like it. The 50% ratio for my entry was actually, let me check it. It was right there. Look at that. If I zoom it out, look at that. The 50% got tagged, boom, went down. But it didn't go for the OTE. FOMO. It is what it is. I'm only using at this particular trade 4 micros. 4 micros, which is $78 and plus the commission. So that's around $8 or something, the commission. Look at that. Okay, I'm deleting my entry. Obviously, the train left the station without me. But on the 50% level, it was a beautiful entry. Look at that. I'm gonna measure the targets. Risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 should be right down there. Right below 98. So if it goes for 98, then unfortunately this just happened. And it's a sign better not to take more trades on this one. Look at this. Wow. Wow, Jesus Christ, guys. Jesus. Oh my God. FOMO, guys, FOMO. No, I'm alright with it, but still, it was so close to tag me into the trade. It was so close. Hey, Meshapeti, servus, hey, all in. Welcome. No hate, but this is what I personally do. Example, if bearish and see a move above the 50%, I look for percent short, and there was a fair value gap and tap the low of the order block. Yeah, I understand, Jeho. Absolutely, I know what you're saying. So I did not need to reach for OTE there. The FOMO is real. Jeho, love you too. I understand what you're saying perfectly. I don't know why I was sticking with this level. My entry was at 4 ticks away from this one. So this is a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio here. If we would hit 98, then this could have been an awesome trade, but I missed it. Boban Smash going long 99. Let's go. Look at this, guys. Jesus Christ. This Mark. Okay, there you go. Oh no, guys. This was the trade that I was waiting for in the whole session. You know, this was the trade. And I missed it. I mean, I don't mind the gold trade. That's fine. That was pre-London session. But this should have been the one. And my entry was missed. But hey, you gotta learn how to move on. The FOMO is bad. I told you guys I hate FOMO much more than having a stop loss. So this actually hurts my feelings. This actually hurts my feelings, guys. So please drop some likes and subscribe to the channel. Oh man. Oh man. This hurts me. Hurts my feelings to see this. 26, your entry. Oh gee, you're at the best area right there. Very aggressive sell, Camille, yes. You know, at least I can tell that the moral victory is still there, right? So at least I can tell that we called out some good levels in the session, right? We called out the order block to the left. We talked about relative equal highs, and I was talking a lot about shifting the structure and then maybe going lower, and I'm waiting for a shift. So I was waiting, it happened. I put on the trade and I missed it. And now I have to eat it. Anyway, guys, it was good. Gold is still up there. So the worst thing you can do right now is to enter again. Now, if this one would leave another gap here, it could be a market maker sell model all the way down to the 15-minute fair value gap. That's possible. But it would be a lower probability entry to go short here, even if this would present a very nice fair value gap, even OTE. That would be a low probability entry for sure. But look at 982. I would say that if this one is presenting an entry level, then the 982 wick down there to the 15-minute gap would be the next target. Let me delete this. It's irrelevant now. Yeah, it was a good call, but we missed it. That's like taking a hot girl and then going home and basically saying you did the sexy time. Yeah. Thank you, Gui. Thank you, guys. It was a good analysis, but the entry was missed. And this is exactly the time and place when, you know, don't do stupid things. Don't try to chase it. Oh ho ho, nice red end. Congratulations. Nice. By the way, this one is a bearish order block right now on the 5-minute. This here created a bearish order block. So seeing the last chat of our friend, I guess NQ still premium until New York takes the rebound, makes the shift and go down. Yeah, the 31 it did not get tagged. Did not get the tag. That's true. So that's true. I mean, we didn't go for 31. That's true. I give you that. But I was so much looking for a reversal. What do we have here? Another opportunity, but lower probability on this fair value gap. Actually, from here. My long is working from 1999. There you go. So now look at this. Next opportunity to go short and to target maybe, I'm not going to take it, I think. Most likely not. 1 to 2 risk to reward is is right there at 10.50. 10.50. Let me see how much is that in risk. $10.50. Is it there? Yeah. So that's your next short opportunity after this 5-minute candle. OTE level is at 10.50. Just saying. Risk to reward ratio is good until 91.50. If anybody wants to take that. Kevin, hey, 700k plus shares sold of QQQ. Oh, all right, that's a lot, right? That's a lot. Officially, the kill zone has ended, by the way, so we're out of the kill zone. That makes this trade even more high risk. We have relative equal highs with Sunday high and today. Careful going short here. This is a low probability short. Market could be easily pushing through. Let's go to the higher time frame. Yeah, look at that. Let me delete this here. Look at that on the 15-minute. What do we have here? Fair value gap. Fib tool. What do you know? On the 15-minute, optimal trade entry, fair value gap, right down there. Right down there. Absolutely a bullish scenario. Look at how beautifully it took the fair value gap. Boom. Went higher, structure shift. Up to this is bullish, guys. I'm definitely changing my mind if anybody wants to take this short. Higher time frame rules usually. And this opportunity here is, I mean, even if you want to enter here, the risk to reward, it's pretty much bullish. Yeah, look at that. Jesus. Careful. We just took the 15-minute OTE level. So careful, everyone. Currently, I have 5 funded accounts, Breeze. I had more, but I lost. I blown 3 funded accounts in the past almost 6 weeks. And yeah, currently with BULENOX, TOPSTEP, I blown my MyFundedFutures funded account, and I have Apex funded accounts. What do you think of gold right now? Well, you know, the 15 minutes still looks good for a possible long. I would say that on gold, we should be going for the 1 hour fair value gap and the 4 hour mid level. That's a very good target. It took out some levels down here. On the higher time frame, which is 1 hour, 4 hour, I'd like to see a proper retracement into these levels. So if I go down and look at the recent 15-minute swing, I put an alert here. If I see price going down into OTE, I might consider to take along there. Also, based on the 5-minute, we have structure shifts around the place. And that's it. And can you live from these accounts? What do you mean? I can live. Yeah, I always show my accounts when I take a position. Yes, absolutely, Briz. Kill zone over. Yeah, that's the thing. Kill zone is over, and you know, this one can just, you know, continue lower down there. It's going through this area. Gotta be careful. You're welcome. You're welcome, Frank. Take a nap. Take a nap. Pignon. I hope I said it right. It was my pleasure. It was my pleasure, and hope to see you soon on the channel. Hope to see you soon. If you can live like professional trader and do only trading from these amount of accounts. Oh, can you live? Oh, sorry. Totally misreading that. No, so how should I put this? And in short, I am not a profitable trader, Briz. I am not. I took out payouts from TopStep last year from October till December. This year, I only took one payout in February. I've blown all my accounts in March. That's the short story. Everything has been blown away in March because of revenge trading and emotion full tilt. I built up a few more funded accounts in the past 2-3 months. I've blown 3 funded accounts from that, and I'm slowly making progress with the rest of them. But to be honest, I'm not currently at the position to make a living solely from trading. So I always say that the channel is almost like a journey for me. Yes, I live stream every day, every single day. I mean, Monday till Friday, right? So yes, I'm here. So I can't make a living from this yet, but I know we will get there together. So that's the goal eventually. To get there and make those profits, right? That's the goal eventually. Well, streaming helps me to share ideas, Briz, to learn from you guys as well, share the results, keeps me a little bit disciplined sometimes. It's definitely, you know, it has some benefits. It has some negative effects too, but you know, it has its benefits. That's for sure. But you know, I'm still trying to build up more funded accounts. That's the goal. How do I deal with tilt? Well, it's very hard. It's very hard. Usually try to get away from the computer, do something else, maybe read or clean up my apartment, or you know, do whatever. It's very hard. It's super hard. You know, I don't even know what to say, because you know, reading, learning, you know, journaling down my feelings, my thoughts, that usually help me or helped me in the past, but it's a hard thing. Oh, we have the alert on gold. There you go. Gold is going down to OTE level, maybe. I'm not going to take a trade on this one. It's, yeah, it's harder to do stupid things if you know. Well, yes and no, you know, that I can tell you. Yes and no, because streaming also puts you into a lot of pressure sometimes. So, Briz, I'm just saying that on the stream, there is an extra pressure because people want to see you act like a pro or something. Not saying act like a pro, but people, puts you into pressure because everybody has a different approach to trading and everybody has, you know, their opinion. Like, you should do this, you should do that, and that could be messing up your thought process if you put too much emphasis on you know, listening to the chat all the time with the entries. That can mess up your thinking process, but eventually you can get through that. But it's definitely it's a hard thing. That's an extra pressure. That puts you into an extra pressure, that's for sure. So right now I'm trying to figure out if this one's gonna go through all the way down and maybe go to the 15-minute gap. I don't know, to invalidate the recent shift to the upside. I don't know. Because we have this wick here. Let me delete this fib tool. We have this wick here that is holding this fair value gap down at 82. We have a liquidity void at 93, I think, on the 1 minute. I don't know if that's gonna get filled or not. But it's there. Yeah, trying to get anything out of this, but I just can't. I just can't. We were talking about this entry here, which went to OTE, but this was a much lower probability, right? So the 1 to 2 risk to reward level was somewhere down at 90. It's high risk. Currently, I don't know if price wants to go down there. I don't think I'm gonna wait for it. Let's just try again with the New York session and, you know, try to do something there. For now, I think this is pretty much done. Gold seems like it could be going higher, but I don't know. All right, thank you so much for watching. I think I'm gonna cut it here because there's just no entry for me. It could be going sideways. I'll be back in the New York session, so see you guys then. Thank you so much for watching, and drop a like, subscribe, and if you haven't already, you can support the channel by using some of my codes and links. That helps a lot. Thank you so much if you consider that. Yeah, Shy, crazy. Great. Yeah. Listen, there are more opportunities on the horizon. Thank you everybody for being here. Love you all. See you guys in New York session. And have a great morning, evening, night, and see you guys later. Thank you so much. See you later. Cheers, everybody.